Or I'll be. Electricity is coming.
Morning. Brought you coffee.
Thanks, love.
What in the world is that?
Morning, Iron Palace.
Hoist away! Steady now!
Whoa there. Somebody order a spool the size of Cleveland.
Sorry,
Smells
pal.
like ambition and coal dust. Another day making smoke to light the world. And you hungry beast. This thing eats more coal than a passenger train at Christmas. I'm too old for this shift. Keep that pressure steady.
Hot!
She scorched me again.
That's it.
Well, she's leaking again. What in blazes is that? It's time.
Old girl, time to retire you.
Lads, that wheel's coming off or I'm trading my mustache for knit needles. Wrench!
Got it, boss. Heads up.
Chain her up. Mules are itching to earn their supper.
This thing weighs more than the courthouse.
Then we'll move the courthouse next. Blast it! Fellas, bring in the new... Ain't she a sight? All copper guts and destiny bolted together. We'll give you a shine, darling. Easy. Whoa, that's livelier than the mules. They don't know they're hauling tomorrow on this wagon. Motor.
Now, here we go.
And hello, beautiful. Let's see what you can do.
Here goes nothing.
Whoa, she's got wind. Look at that flywheel spin. Coming down. This beauty runs on light.
All right, folks. Last bolt. Let's make this motor sing.
She'll hum polite as a teapot.
Moment of truth.
Brace your ears.
Huh. That's...
Whoa, steady, steady. Still got it. One more twist. And done. 100 bulbs, 0 regrets. Ready for the big moment? Do it. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, look at that.
Brilliant. We're done. Dang nabbit. We're done.
Yo, iron in the air and the steam turn cold. We grind all day, but tonight we roll. Clang of the hammer like a church bell ring. Every cog in the mill about to dance and sing. Ha! Pays in the pocket, grime on the sleeve.